Deye small industrial and commercial energy storage battery series products provide users with flexible expansion solutions. This video introduces the unboxing and installation of the BOS-GL60 and BOS-GH60. Please review this statement carefully before installing the energy storage products. Unboxing inspection. The rack of BOS-GL60 and BOS-GH60 consist of the following parts. The battery module section consists of the following parts. The unit is paired with a solar inverter, which consists of the following parts. The following tools are required for installation. It is recommended to wear the following safety equipment during installation. BOS-GL60 and BOS-GH60 installation. When installing the frame, first take out the two side beams and the top and bottom beams and assemble them into a rectangular frame. The upper and lower beams are then secured using round head hexagonal combination screws and hexagonal spanners. Left and right diagonal spacers are fixed on both sides of the beams. For the four corners underneath the frame, use round head hexagonal screws to secure the left and right base plates. Then screw the four bases into the base plate. Erect the shelf when the installation is complete. The next step is to carry out the battery installation. Here are the various connections of the battery module. The following are the various connections for the high voltage control box. Firstly, insert the battery module in order from the bottom to the 12th layer, and insert the high voltage control box at the top slide of the 13th layer. Secondly, fix the battery module and control box with M6-20 screws. Take out the 140mm network cable and connect the communication port of the battery module and the high voltage control box. And take out 11 110mm network cables and connect the communication port of the battery module from top to bottom. The communication port of the bottom battery module is closed with a 120 ohm termination resistor. Connect the 150mm positive power line, connecting the top battery module to the high voltage control box, and the 11 150mm power lines in series from top to bottom. The wiring of BOS-GL60 and BOS-GH60 is shown on the screen. Connect a cathode line to the back of the shelf and use cable ties to secure the cable bundle. The external power cables EP cable 5.0 and EN cable 5.0 plug into the PCS connector. Solar inverter installation. This is followed by a demonstration of the solar inverter's individual interfaces. When mounting the inverter, make sure there is enough space around the unit to dissipate heat. Temporarily fix the pegboard to the wall, mark the drilling locations, and drill the holes. After that, drive in the expansion bolts and mount the inverter. Grid wiring. Connect the inverter to the equipment. Then install the external circuit breaker and connect the grid to the grid input of the inverter and the load output to the critical load panel. Activate the product. After installation, check that all circuits are connected correctly. Press the air switch buttons on the battery and the high pressure control cabinet. The screen lights up and startup is complete. Above is the unboxing and installation process of BOS-GL60 and BOS-GH60. Deye's small industrial and commercial energy storage series products can effectively realize efficient energy storage, scientific operation and maintenance, and reduce electricity expenses. Use energy safely. Live your life smoothly. Deye ESS to make ESS better.